Grade 2 student from VIVA schools. Today I'm gonna make a delicious American sweet corn salad. Eating salad every day benefits your body with nutrition, vitamins and calcium and many more. This is instant recipe to make this American corn salad. You can pack it to your work or school. So let's see how to make this amazing, delicious American sweet corn recipe. So first we need chopped tomato and green chili. I added capsicum because I wanted it less spicy, and sweet corn and chopped onions and chopped carrot and some lightly lemon juice and some pepper and some salt. This is a boiled corn. You need to boil the corn first. And this all chopping work my mom did it. Thank you, Mom. With all of these, you can also add broccoli, coriander leaves and any other veggies. Now let's make the salad. So first I need to pour half of the corn. Next, I'm gonna add this chili, but in my case, capsicum. So let's have this. Then chopped carrot, then tomato, and then onions, then with little bit of salt and bit of pepper, then the lime juice. So let's mix it up. Like I said previously, you can also add broccoli and other veggies. Let's taste my salad. Delicious, I love it. Super. If you want to try at home, please try this delicious American salad. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.